Hello Mac users, this is Hasibur and I created this CSV file AppleScript to create a new CSV file in the front window of the Finder application. So let's see how this works. To run this AppleScript, we need to run it from the keyboard directly. Let's find the keyboard shortcut for this AppleScript. This is called command hyperkey N. So I am pressing command hyperkey N. A new CSV file is created. Command hyperkey N again. Another one is created. Command hyperkey N again. Another CSV file is created. That's how I am creating a CSV file directly in the front window of the Finder application.